So we're here with Atraxis here at Lift 2013.
Yes.
So what are you showing at Atraxis?
Actually, we develop multi-touch interfaces for big surfaces bigger than 40 inches. So it's here you have three different technologies. This one is a Finnish company called Multitouch. This one over there is a multi-touch frame called Peculab.
Peculab?
Yes, you put it on any normal screen. And here it's the Microsoft Surface.
So the Microsoft Surface, is that the most popular today?
It depends, because this one is really sensitive to light.
To light?
To light, yeah. If you have ambient light, then it doesn't work anymore, like everyone knows.
Okay.
So here it's...
But is it the most popular on the market? Samsung?
Yeah, actually it's the most famous. Yeah, the
Samsung.
most sold and famous, because it's Samsung and people trust Samsung even if it doesn't work.
So what is the difference in technology between these three?
So this inside you have 32 cameras.
Cameras that goes from up,
Yes.
bottom, look at the...
In order to see the tags.
Look at the tags.
Exactly.
And your finger too?
Yeah, and fingers too, yes, exactly.
And super many touch, small bezel on this one.
This one is a big bezel. You have now really much thinner bezel. Yeah.
And how about this one? How does that one work?
This one is a pixel sense technology.
So what is that?
So it can detect also tags.
Is that a camera? It's not a camera.
It's each pixel is a camera.
Each pixel is a camera.
Yeah, it's a crazy technology, but extremely sensitive to light. So you cannot install it anywhere.
All right, so it has to be kind of indoor, dark places, kind of, and then it's awesome there.
Yes.
And that one?
And that one, it's a multi-touch frame.
Multi-touch, like a capacitive?
No, not capacitive. They are lasers.
Lasers going like
yeah, on top of the screen.
infrared?
Yes, exactly.
Nice.
And
you have a technology where you can have these objects work.
exactly, and this is still a patent pending, so I cannot explain you how it works. But
Right.
you can detect objects with this surface.
Nice.
As you can see here, it follows the object.
This is a really big screen, this one. It's not too expensive?
No, this one is 12,000 Swiss francs.
12,000 for how many inch?
For 55 inches.
55, 1080p screen.
Yes.
And with the layers, so it doesn't get scratched or...
It's a special glass, which is really nice to touch. And
Yeah, it feels nice.
If it's scratched anyway, you can just change the glass. You don't have to change the entire table.
So 12,000, how about this?
This one is 10,000.
10,000?
Yeah.
But it's smaller, it's how much?
Smaller, it's 40.
40 inch? And that?
And this one is 22,000.
22,000?
Because there are cameras inside and it's much more complicated to create.
Is that 55 also?
It's 55 also.
55 inch.
Yeah.
So your company is providing these solutions in Switzerland or
Yes,
worldwide or?
worldwide, but mainly in Switzerland. We work with multinational companies and we provide the entire service. That we choose the right hardware for them and develop the concept, the multi-touch concept. We are one of the only company that understood really what is a multi-touch table and multiple users at the same time. There are quite some rules to follow and to make the experience more immersive. And then we program it with C#, so really robust software framework in order to be able to watch as many videos as you want at the same time. So
Nice.
if I launch many, like 10 videos or whatever, as you can see there is no lag and you can manipulate them.
Is it an x86 PC inside?
Yeah, it's a Windows PC.
Windows PC inside?
Yeah.
There's no like ARM part solution? Not at the moment, just a PC.
Yeah, just the PC, yes.
So it's just somewhere in here.
Yeah, you can see it.
You can see it there. And it's possible to upgrade in the future?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's just a box. You open the box, you put your own PC.
Nice. And it's just Windows, runs the whole day. And so how many customers do you have? Is that a secret?
No, something like 50 customers.
50 in the Swiss
Yeah,
French
more or less,
area?
exactly. And
Also Swiss German?
Yes,
Yeah?
more or less 50.
50? And
And
so
we-
who are those kind of customers? Like
We
companies?
have Nespresso. They present their entire coffee catalog with the multi-touch tables. We have a hospital also that present the human body. We have companies in the industry. They cannot bring the big machine on the booth, so they take a table to explain the machine. It can be used in any field, actually.
And so when you do the software work, How much does that cost? Is that price? How does that work?
It's starting at 10,000 Swiss francs.
10,000 for like
the
a whole project, or what do you
Yeah,
call
for
it?
the software, including design, programming, and starting at 10,000. And it's based on the token experience template, which is a template where you can customize which image is going to appear under the token. So here we have two examples of two different images, and then you program where you want the hotspot to be, and then when you click on a hotspot you have any JPEG file or videos, and you have a slideshow. So this the customer can put any files he wants by himself, and what we provide is the template to create this multi-touch presentation using token recognition, object recognition.
All right. That's cool. So do you envision like a near future where everybody in the whole world has this at home?
Maybe, but it's not. Nowadays, it's more for B2B.
B2B, industry, companies.
Exactly. There is no real use in the.
At home, not yet.
At home, not yet.
Maybe cool. Like you eat breakfast and you can check your stuff behind. It'd be nice, no?
Yes.
But maybe we'll see.
Yeah, maybe one day.
All right. Cool.